How's it going, people? Right, we continue here from where we left off in the last one, where we packed up on the hillside, and I'm still mind blown by this view. But let's continue. So, as you can see, I look about 10 years younger. I shaved my head. Surprisingly, right? I don't know if you've watched my channel before, you know about my clippers. They were shot. Well, I stopped working, and then it was doing my head in. But my other ones, the new ones, they worked great for about, I don't know, 4 or 5 times, and it was shit, right? So I thought I'd give this another chance. So I left it on charge all night, and bang, done. So these will live to fight another day. Happy days. Doesn't give me a clean shave, but it makes me look younger. That'll do. I was feeling grim, and I still feel grim now. So this is the reason why I got this in my hand. This is what I usually fill up for my shower. Said bucket, and then I boil the kettle a few times. Obviously if it's boiling hot, I won't boil the kettle, but I will this time, because it's a little bit chilly. So to boil the kettle, I've only got a little kettle, so it takes me 10 years to do it, but you know, a couple of them boils in there, and then have a shower outside. Feel like a new man. I know I say that every time, but little trim of the beard, shave the head, you know, have a nice shower. Oh, it's fresh. Do you know what I mean? I love my little Genius setup. Don't get me wrong, when it is really cold and it's winter, it's a brave shower. But this time, however, although it looks like it's about to piss it down, so that weather changed. I wonder why the solar stopped, but here we are. Right, I'll get this packed up and then get in before it pisses it down by the looks of it. Ooh, lovely. Give the van a little wash. I think I've been here about, I don't know, 4 hours, and 2 vehicles have gone past. That's it. Always be prepared to move. Maybe that's just me, I don't know. And the last video that went, well, not the last video, this should probably be weeks ahead, but the one that went up where I first got stuck in Connor's field, right? I know it's a 49-minute long video, 50 minutes, right? And I literally, it went up, and don't get me wrong, it's done quite well already, like it's only been up a few hours. But I've already had a couple of messages going, well, that's a long one. I know some people said it in banter, I fully get that, like, but some people were just like, ooh, look, you ain't got to watch it all in one go. Do you know what I mean? Watch 15 minutes of it, then another 15 minutes of it, then another, you know what I mean? Yeah. But one thing I have learned with the whole YouTube is you can't please everybody, right? So post what you like. Do you know what I mean? Do what you like. End of the day, you're always going to get someone who's going to moan about something. So do it anyway. Prime example of me doing this and living this lifestyle. My van's getting all pink from the sun. The lines down it, Jesus. I'll give you a polish when we get back to the UK, alright? They're all good. So that was me done for the night. Now this place just kept giving and giving. Now I was treated to this beautiful sunset. Good morning, people. Well, I slept like shit, and I don't know why. Past 2 nights, I just keep waking up at like 4 in the morning, and then that's it. Then I'm awake. And by like 5 o'clock, I'm knackered. But yeah. But today, it's a bit foggy, but the sun is coming out. You know, this morning I kind of got up for sunrise, and then it didn't really rise when it was going to rise. So yeah, but today I got to do some washing. So I'm going to head to an Intermarché and do some washing, and then probably go park up at an air. I don't know. Probably not going to film too much, but yeah. I'll see you lot when I get to the air. So after spending a few nights at air, getting some washing done, I ended up heading inland because Connor dropped me a message saying he was going to have a fire. Now, I'm not one to turn down a fire.
You just swallowed a bug.
I'm not going to lie, it looks a little bit like you.
Yeah.
Hey, I don't, just saying, like,
Yeah,
no matter a personal dig, just...
We're burning me. I am going to.
Oh, Philip.
Back off! See you. Oh, that's perfect there. Fire! Oh no. Goodbye, Philip. Oh, what's that off? I'm gonna lose my beard. So the next day we are on our way into town because we decided to get everybody together before we all start going our separate ways. We're going to go do some bowling and go and get some pizza. Now obviously yours truly won the bowling. I'm as surprised as you are. But we're filling our phases with pizza. Oh, it was an amazing night. You know, it's this little group here of people that I just love. You know, it's very rare that I feel like I can find people in this world that are truly out there for me and to better me, and these lot just push me further in life. And in all honesty, that's what you need to find in life. It's not about finding a lot of friends, it's about finding a handful of friends that will, you know, that show you that they've got you. But we're headed back to Aiden and Biff's land to end the night with a nice fire. So I'll leave that one there and we'll continue from here in the next one when I start to leave Portugal and start heading north because I've got to get on my ferry back to the UK. But thank you as always for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, it helps my channel massively. Don't forget to keep it real, keep it safe, keep it true, and I'll see you lot in the next one. Ta-da.